Here we are on the shores of Capernaum, the Sea of Galilee, place where Jesus hung out a lot and prayed, I know, and fished and told others of the mysteries of Elohim. Tourist boat, jet ski. Things have changed. This is the location in the water here, of the Sea of Galilee, where Jesus actually walked on the water.
Coming out of Jerusalem, outside of close to the Dead Sea.
I think the lake's about 10 miles across. Say hello. Just a beautiful sea. And you go up these rocks, and there's Capernaum. Up this little hill right here on top. I'm sure many of these rocks were actually used for houses in Capernaum. Here's one right here in particular. You can tell it was used in the construction of a house or a building. There are many of these rocks just laying here by the beach side of the Sea of Galilee. There's another one. Rock of a house. To get a glimpse of where we're at, we're at Capernaum, and I'm going to zoom in on the city over there, which is Tiberias. On the other side of the lake. So Jesus would take a boat from that section to over here at Capernaum. There goes our friend the jet skier, right in the middle. We are standing on the shores of Capernaum right now.